Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to publish your book on Amazon. With millions of potential readers and robust self-publishing platform, Amazon is a fantastic opportunity to share your work with the world. So let's dive right in and get your book published as soon as possible on Amazon. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first step is going to be before, of course, is to prepare your manuscripts. So before we jump into the publishing process, make sure your manuscript is ready. And this includes having a well-edited and formatted document and double check for any grammar or spelling errors. Ensure that the formatting is consistent through the entire manuscript, of course. And you can use writing software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs to prepare your manuscript. Of course, then you will have to go and create an Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing account or KDP. For that, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use a Brave browser, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser you could possibly have or you prefer. Once you open your browser, you can simply go to the URL section and simply type keydb or keydp.amazon.com and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to the home screen or main screen of KDP Amazon account. As you can see, direct publishing. And of course, if you have an account, make sure to click on sign in to create your account or to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up to log in or to create your account. So you'll have to follow the prompts to create your account. So for you, do whatever suits you. If you have an account, click on sign in. And if you don't, click on sign up right away. Of course, once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself right here. So for me, of course, I'll have to finish some informations is missing. So I'll have to go and finish them. But of course, for you, if you will have to do that also, as you can see, it's just a two steps verification for my number. So it's not going to be a big deal. I can even create and manage and publish right now if I want to. So as you can see, we can even go here and see the pricing costs. And as you can see, it will change. And we can even publish right now if you want to. So simply, once you created our account, and if you already have an account, you can simply just go and log in into it, and you will have to set up your book details. So once you're logged in into your account, create a new Kindle ebook to start setting up your book details. Of course, once you create it, you'll have to enter your information such as the title, author name, book description, and keyword. So make sure to take time to write a compiling book description that will entice potential readers to check out your book. So now, of course, make sure to check your book is ready to do everything, and make sure to, as you can see, read this because reach readers and formats they want. You can now publish your ebook, paperback, and a lot of other stuff. As you can see, publishing a series, you can create Amazon series and page and add your books. Of course, if you're new to KDP, learn more about this. If you want to learn how to create a book, you can see it from here. Book timelines, you can see it from here. The free ALBANs, you'll be able to see it from here, and tools and resources, you'll be able to see it from here. So make sure to go and read all of that. It's going to be pretty useful to read all of that if you want to publish your book. Of course, it will help you a lot through everything that you want to do, everything that you didn't want or you didn't know how to do, you will be able to see it from there. And as we said, here we will be good to start creating our book. So simply click on create. Here we'll have to choose what you would like to create: Kindle book, paperback, hardcover, or series page. So choose whatever suits you. For me, as an example, I'm just going to click on create ebook, and here I'll have to simply follow or enter the informations at the following. As you can see, I'll have to choose the language. I'll have to choose a book title, as you can see from here. So you can change English as an example to whatever language you want. As you can see, there's a lot of languages there, or you can simply go and type the language that you want. As an example, let's just try Arabic. As you can see, some language you'll find here in beta, but it's not going to be a big deal. So simply choose whatever language you want. Then simply go to the book title, add it, and you can even add some subtitle. It's just optional though. You can do that after you choose your language, then simply add in your book title. Here, if it's a series, make sure to add a series detail. If it's not, go to the edition number. So make sure this is optional as well. So as you can see, you can simply enter here your edition number if you have it, and if you don't, it's just optional as I said. you can add it or not. Here you'll have to add the author name. Of course, it could not be, or it should not be your the real name. You can put whatever name you want. If you don't want to put your real name, it's not going to be a big problem. So simply put a first name for you and their last name, and make sure to read all this other authors and contributors very well, so you don't have any trouble. As an example, of course, as an example, let's just choose here Mr. Cool as my name, or Tess as an example. Here, let's just choose the contributors. So if you have any contributors in your book, make sure to add them from here. If it's whatever it is, so simply just choose it. Of course, this is just optional because you can just write your book by your own. If you have to add any other contributors, make sure to add another from here, and you'll normally be good to go. And then you will have to go and add a description for your book, because description, of course, is the most important thing after the title, because people who are going to buy a book will read just the title, then right away the description, to see if they are interested in the book or not. So make sure to read everything about here. I don't know why it's not opening, so it's not a big deal. So let's just go and complete the description here, as you can see. So make sure to summarize everything about your book, and make sure it will not pass the 4,000 words, and because it's just a summarize, of course it should not be sorry, more than 4,000 words. So make sure to summarize your book, then go here to the publishing rights. So if the book is yours, make sure to check this I own the copyright and etc. And if not yours, make sure to check this is public domain work. So choose whatever suits you for yourself, and let's just go right away to the keywords. So here in the keywords, of course, these keywords will help you describe your book. And of course, you can entail some kinder keywords, as an example, to help like Google reach your book. So if someone like type this keyword in Google, they will just take into your book. And of course, here you can change category, age and grade range, pre-order. And once you finish with all of this, make sure, of course, to choose if you are ready to publish your book now or not now. So make sure to check everything, double check everything here. Then you'll pass to this next step, which is Kindle ebook contents. You'll have to upload your book, then simply the last step. So here, let's just click on save and continue as an example. Of course, let me just fill the necessarily or informations I didn't fill, of course, because a lot of things are optional. So let's just choose here a category, general as an example, save, and go and click on save and continue. And here, as an example, we will have, as you can see, done. I'll have to simply upload my manuscript and upload my book, and I'm gonna be over as an example, and it's gonna be kind of good to go. So once I set this, I'll have then to set the book price as an example, and of course and select even publishing options. And once I click on save and continue, I'll have to set the price as I said, and I'm going to be good to go. So if you reach this place of this video, congratulations, you've completed the full tutorial on how to publish your book on Amazon. Remember, of course, the self-publishing on Amazon gives you the opportunity to reach a vast audience of readers and share your story with the world. Don't forget to promote your book and engage with your readers to maximize your success. Best of luck on your publishing journey, and I'll see you in the next video.